Noibim, ngasi Friday ni adu akoi weekly giveaway ngasi isi video jigi loirapada result to hapsarage.
Please choose a number from 1 to 10 in your mind.
Noibim, ngasi je Friday ni aduga tamyage bani ngasi sile adu akoi weekly giveaway ngasi isi video jigi loirapada result to hapsarage aro winner duna video gi video is the comment video ko kabigenu my phone number singi company maming aduga kari karamba type of recharge pami have to comment to biro aruga si video je tamyagi bani si tamyaina keno to ru bangrang nadra ngarang mana RIMS ta salaga man stage performance ama piruiba adu pirudi tamai kamaina du na stage ta thuwa to mi do kamaina no ai mana keno WhatsApp status thagal budi ui ni ko ma chatle gam khongate to kamain to rui no du do
ngarang je renina habet mai ma bima medical director ta business ing tau ne ba moina moi gi nurses week tauri fashion parade amazu tauri yeng bala on hai ko ne ba reni da hai ko ne reni nai ngon da bai chalu jira ai na hoi chalu je bai chat pa ne ba aja pa jida moi hogule me ko ja pa da duga mar ki filler sing je isai sakpa dance so ba mam tawe ba ada ai
program
mam tawe ba aina tauri je last ki moi top 5 khalaga writing round loi kanda top 3 khan ga do bagi judges na calculation to ngi matam ji ne ba sida dum yang kui na gap le bai ta judges na calculation to stage ko hang hangi ba moi encouraging na law ba audience ta gi jo any perform to winning ba le ga di to bi ho ji ne ba da kanam tholak re do ba adai ma kanam thok da moi wa ne ga da ole nam ta thok jo da na hai ne de oi to
ade dang han na stage ta thuo moi na no da dang ta thu zo na hare ja dang han na stage ta thuo ga han na performance pi we le ga
am ta pi dri ada
so moi ame ma sen jum phagi tong na ba
phagi tong na ne aseng we hai di aduga reni na sai be ka e bai thok ne ai kan num kha to ni na kan to ka da na khale ma na ngo adai jo ka tum free le nu ai tam ne mi loi ma dum mang le nu ai tam ne na thoi ba aduga moina ju nurse natra ju perform to biyo ka su kai de hai da ina tho ga to rum
ado ma'am tamai na ngang performance piru bu do ma'am nuai ta bra ai video hapsar ke ma'am kun ding ni je
So all audience, please choose a number from 1 to 10 in your mind. No, don't tell me, please don't tell me. Please don't tell me. Choose it in your mind and I'll tell you what is the thing later on. Please choose. Everybody done? Now multiply it by 9. To the number you chose, just multiply it by 9. Done. If the number is a 1-digit number, then okay, leave it. If the number is a 2-digit number, then please add the 2-digit number. Suppose if it is 1 multiplied by 9, then it's 9, then it's okay. If it's 2 multiplied by 9, then it's 18. Please add the number, addition. Done, everyone? Then from the answer you got, please subtract 5. Please subtract 5. 5.
Okay.
Done. If you get a number 1, then please assign A. If you get 2, please assign B. If you get 3, C, and 4, D. If you get 5, please assign E. For the number you assign the letter, by that letter, please choose a country that starts by the letter you chose. In your mind, please choose a country. By the ending letter of the country you chose, please choose an animal. Please choose an animal that starts with the last letter of the country you chose. Then after that, please choose a fruit that starts with the last letter of the animal you chose. Everyone done? Okay, now
si matang ji me ngak tang khan na wei timing log jo ge me am ta khan bio tamai na jik stage ta mana thuo ga high grip number sing number multiply to ba subtract to ba dum am do aduga country adu da gi di animal aduga fruit ki maming sing do me am khang bi ro ngak ngai min ji aru ngai min ngi is da result to hapsar age aduga result ki winner du na ina ngai hai mawang da heje gi do comment bi ro sim ne sim gi maming aduga karamba type recharge 100 rupees ta gi hen ba de adu me am video gi link hapsal la jing ha muk mamang da to video cha manai is de paste of salani paste of salam matung gi da je koina comment khoi gi get your unique comment ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ 245나 ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯤ 245 ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯇꯅꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯤꯅꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯜꯂꯅꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯂꯤꯟꯊꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯣꯝ ꯔꯣꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯉꯥꯜ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯁ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯦꯝ ꯕꯕꯤꯅꯥ ꯑꯟꯖꯂꯤ ꯔꯦꯕꯤꯀꯥ ꯄꯨꯔꯅꯤꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯕꯥꯔꯨꯟ ꯁꯨꯔꯖ thank you for commenting aduga sina ingelai ado hojik winner sina Premita Sagolsem congratulations lottery winner aduga tamai gi jiki magi answer do mana stage ta haigiba question ma'am dugi magi trick tu gi answer do hapcharage ado si trick se am live trick ne ma'am na hana ju dum khangbiramagani tamai na stage ta thoga mana perform do du da aina sum nungai dana ma'am gi crowd ki expression ma'am du yam na aina yam nungai dana aina hapchabane ma'am ju nungai ga di comment do biro aruga nungai taba tamai da heng improvement tawbi anaba suggestion stage performance hana tawbiraba singna khangbiragadi aduju haibiro ma'am thank you so much for watching.
Okay, now the country you chose is Denmark. How many of you chose Denmark? Okay, now the animal is kangaroo and the fruit. And thank you. The country you chose is Denmark. How many of you chose Denmark? The animal is kangaroo. And the fruit. And thank you everyone. Thank you.
Only orange.
Video din nung video ma'am like to view subscribe to view masung share to view bye bye. mathanggi Friday da mu sigi video singida aina week hafta amda thagatpa video singida comment pibirakpa singdagi aina khangkacharaga sigi smaina lottery je tawdine adaida ngasigi video sidi aina surprise gift ama ai better half the pigi ba video do adudagi adugi video da comment habirpa singine aina toije sika aina sije keno ai random oina dum pick tawune ngasidi aina si pick tawuje kamain tawge haganda khwaidagi like yam phangba video aduga khwaidagi message yam thabirpa video da khanjaraga tawjabane aro mathangdana atopa ma da mung tawge ado myam comment pibirakpa kaubigana suggestion pibiro myam na pibirakpa suggestion yam ngai je aduga ngarang akhoi 29000 subscriber akhoi ai Manipur gi family akhoi myam je 29000 subscriber strong oire ado myam na support to birakpa nungsibirakpa now gi video sing nungsibirakpa myam thank you so much.